Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the authentication process in PHP. So this authentication process is used to verify the user by the username or the password while they are visiting any web page or clicking over the link. So here in this program I have created the two objects, the username and the password. So here I have given the username as tel1 and password as 111. After that, coming to the next part, there is a if else statement. So in if else statement there is a function that is the isSet function. So here this program have two particular array. The first one array is the underscore survey PHP authentication user, and the another one is underscore server PHP authentication password. So user is for the username, for authenticating the username, and password the second one for the password, to authenticate the password. So here we have used the isSet function. So this isSet function will verify these two, username and password. So whenever we enter the username and password, it will verify, it will match these two, username and password, with the username and password which we have given here. So what we have entered will be matched here with this if else statement. So if the username and password will match, then the statement will occur, you are now logged in. And if it doesn't match, then the die statement will run, which will give a message invalid username or a password. So if we doesn't enter any of the username or password and we will click over to the OK, then there are the other things that will happen. There are here we have add the header part. So here, if username and password are not correct, then the user is not authenticated, and then the header display a message that is restricted area. And here there is a basic realm, that is we added here with www authenticate basic realm. So this basic realm is the name of the section that is protected. After that, if user fills the out of field, then the program again will come at the top and it will give the messages HTTP 401 unauthorized. And this the last one is, if we click over to the cancel button, then it will display a message, please enter your username and password. So this is the message which are added with this authentication process. So here we can also use the password underscore hash or the password underscore verify to add the authentication to the further authentication to the password. Like if you don't want to display the password in a clear text, then you can use a password underscore hash to get the encrypted passwords, and password underscore verify will verify that encrypted password. So these are the two functions which we can use with the password to make or display it in an encrypted way. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that, you have to go to run project. Sorry, first of all, just click over to the localhost. So here it's showing running. Now it's showing, please here sign in with the HTTP localhost, and you have to enter the username as well as password. So here I've clicked the enter. So here it's showing, please enter your username and password. So if to enter the username and password, I'm running it again. So here you can enter your username or password. So the username or password is tel1 and password is 111. So now click sign. So here it's showing a message that you are now logged in this URL or a particular web page. So in this way we can use the authentication process to add the authentication or security to our web page or a URL in a browser. Thank you.